I waited years of my life waiting for the perfect moment to start. But you know what? No one tells you this that perfect moment never comes. And if you're watching this right now, this video is for you. Most people don't waste their life because they are lazy. They waste their life because they don't realize it that time is passing. They will keep saying, I will start tomorrow. I will start when I feel confident. I will start when my mind is clear. And slowly, time is passing. Weeks turns into the months, and months turn into the years. And it's not mean that you are doing something wrong, but you are not moving either. And that space, that in between space, um, it is not a beginning, it is not an ending, it's the time before you start. I knew this because I stayed there for years. And here's the scary part, no one talks about. When you wait for too long, you not just lose your time, but your mind gets tired without doing anything. And because when you see other people moving forward in their life and building skill, creating lives, and you are just stuck when you are feel stuck without doing anything, that's a funny part. Because you are doing nothing, but you feel exhausted because you are constantly thinking of the starting, and that thinking exhausts you more than action ever will. For some people waiting feel confident, but it quietly steals your time and confidence. I used to believe this that my future self would be more ready, more confident, and more fearless. But when the time passed, I was the same person, just 1 year older. The truth is simple: you don't become ready before you start. You only become ready because you start. Imperfect, messy, unsure. That's how every real journey begins. I'm still learning copywriting myself. I know how overwhelming it feels like in the beginning, because when you see expert copywriter like Alice Cotoni who are years ahead to us, and you think I can't reach that level. But you know what? Here's what actually a beginner actually needs. Not someone who are perfect, who are 10 years ahead to us. We need someone who are 4 to 5 step ahead to us, who remember a beginner struggles. And that's why this channel exists, step by step, real practice, no fake motivation, not shortcut, just progress. And if you are someone who want to start any skill, especially copywriting in 2026 or in any year you are watching this video, and you want step by step guide because you feel stuck in the beginning, and then this channel is for you. I am Hifsa, and this is Copywriting with Hifsa. I will uploading regularly, learning with you and practicing with you. Remember this: the only thing that matters is starting, not tomorrow, not when you feel ready. Start now, even small, even imperfect, just begin.